Jamie, and by Joe. And I nominate Katia Boris, Michael Wells, and Heaven Hopewell. Oh my gosh.
Let's take a step down, young lady.
Hi. No. Nominated for the ALS Ice Bucket Challenge by Jamie. I nominate Christina Cucuricos, Jordan Beasley, and Bradley Rather. Is it cold? It's ice. I was nominated for the ALS Ice Bucket Challenge and by Jamie. I nominate Marco and Julie Aguilar. I need cold water.
It'd be easier if you would sit down then.
Just go.
It's gonna be too long.
So I was nominated twice, once by Jamie and once by Marcy, so thank you for that. And I got to dump 3 buckets, one on my wife, one on my daughter, one on my son. So I'm going to triple dog dare, accept that challenge, and take 3 shots. I nominate Bert. Better top this, buddy. All right, let's do this. Do you want me down a step so you can make it easier?
Yeah. Wait, let's not get in front. Ready? Wait, let's not get in front. Let's get up! I'll say let's not get in front of it.
That's fine.
Woo!
Let's do this.
No,
I can't.
Oh yeah, that's brisk.
last one. Why not it?
Arrivo, come caiu.